Allah says something amazing, more important than giving. Offer him respect. That's it. Allah didn't say a'tihi. Never. Allah didn't say, as for the one asking you, the one begging, give him something. No. وَأَمَّا السَّائِلَ فَلَا تَنْهَرْ. Do not rebuke him. That's all. As for the giving, we will do it. Don't worry. We'll either put it in your heart or the hearts of someone else, or we may do it without anyone, on our own. So doesn't that show you what's more important than an amount? My brothers, my sisters, offer people respect. Women from amongst us, we offer them respect. The young from amongst us, we offer them respect. You want to gauge where your standing is in the eyes of Allah beyond your prayer and your primary duties? Look at how you treat those who have nothing or very little. If you can offer them a greeting with a smile and respect, you have achieved something. If not, you have a lot of work to do on yourself.